alright, Chef?
Yes,
Are
Chef.
you alright, Chef? That's the main thing.
Do you want me to take the bowl off there? Yeah. Yum, yum.
It's tasting time for me.
Bubble gum. Ruby, leave it.
Leave that bit.
Ruby. Yum, yum. Oh. God. Stop using your finger, then using the bowl. Here, where's that?
Right, let's make us some space to do the cookies. The mixture.
Stick your hands.
Nothing on my hands.
Look, you watch it.
Hey.
Ta-da!
No mess.
Yeah,
No
Mum
stress.
did it like that.
Easy.
No mess, no stress.
Look at this.
You ready? Steady.
Ready?
Ready, steady.
Oh.
Ready? Steady.
Steady. Ruby, get out.
Ready? Steady. Ready?
We're not very good at the coconut bit.
Out. Out.
Ruby,
I'm
out.
gonna get burnt.
Look at that. Nice dry potato. Clean one.
I like this, boys.
Yeah. Come on then, they take more than an hour in the oven. If you take an hour washing them, we won't get potatoes till tea time.
Yeah.
You're good at washing potatoes. You're really good.
No, I'm not.
Wow, look at these. Lovely clean potatoes. Pull it out.
No.
Because potatoes have water in them. When you make the holes in them, pull it out. It stops the steam staying inside the potato, the moisture. Go on then, now that side. Did it get you? Go on, pull.
Oh, that was easy.
Now turn it round. Put them all in the oven. Just put them at 200 for 1 hour, 5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour. Wow, don't touch the pot.
Are they done?
Ah, wait a minute. Do you know? Oh, that's a bit fierce, the oven. Wow. Cottage cheese and what? Sometimes they might have a little damage inside and you, like a bruise or something, you just have to put it away. But you can't see till it's cooked, can you? Whose is this giant potato?
Daddy.
Wow, look at that big steaming hot potato. Isn't it? It's a very hot one. Here's some more. Good.
This?
Yeah, I like that. Hold the potato, it's alright to hold it. Just do that. Jacket potatoes in the UK can be quite popular to have sometimes with an evening meal instead of chips or potatoes or something like that. People will often have a jacket potato, and sometimes they'll have jacket potato for lunch because it's easy to nip to the jacket potato van or the shop and grab one for lunch, something like that. The man in Newark that sells the jacket potatoes at Dinner Jackets has been there 30 years more. Long time. Jacket potatoes are just, people just turn to them and think, yeah, oh, just have a quick jacket potato. You can cook them for 5 minutes in the microwave. They're really quick in the microwave, but the skin doesn't go crispy in the microwave, so. But they're okay. Lee's just bored with them, I think. He just gets bored with everything.
Tanya, could you get some cheese for me?
Yes, excuse me.
Please. Thank you.
And there's some salad in here if you want some salad, not just on your jacket potato, but in your bowl, in case you want some. And you can eat the skin on the potato, because it's really good for you and it's really crispy.
I like that.
It's really good for you, the potato skin. But it's better when it's microwaved. Even. Evening, not eba, not lips together, teeth and lip. Evening. I can't say it myself now. Evening. I can't even say it now. Good evening. No. Good even. It's hard to say it. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Like you were talking.
So you say eva. The vicar lives in the vicarage. The vicar doesn't live in the vicarage. The vicar lives in the vicarage. Yeah. Yeah, that's, it makes your lip
I know.
vibrate. Yeah, if you have your teeth and on your lip for the v sound.
Daddy.
Can you feel your lip tingly? Have a very nice. Stop laughing!
Yeah.
You're making me laugh.
You what?
No, I can say it.
Yeah.
No.